Are you on the hunt for the best circular saws to elevate your woodworking game? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, finding the right circular saw can make all the difference in your projects. Today we're reviewing the top-rated circular saws available on Amazon that combine power, precision, and value. From cutting-edge technology to budget-friendly options, we've got you covered. Stick around because we're diving into the standout features of Metabo HPT Circular Saw, Makita X SS02Z, Haichika Mini Circular Saw, and more. And remember to check the description box and the pinned comment for direct links to these amazing tools at the best prices. Don't miss out on these deals, and let's jump right in. Metabo HPT Circular Saw. The Metabo HPT Circular Saw is a dream tool for anyone serious about clean, precise cuts. This circular saw is powered by a robust 15-amp motor, making it one of the most powerful options in its class. It's designed to handle a variety of materials from thick hardwood to plywood and even composite materials. The 714-inch blade spins with high torque, ensuring clean, smooth cuts every time. One standout feature is its lightweight design, weighing just 9.5 pounds, making it easy to handle without compromising durability. An integrated dust blower keeps your cutting line clear, which is a must for intricate projects. Whether you're crafting furniture or working on a large-scale renovation, this saw's performance and ease of use make it a top choice. Find the product link in the description and the pinned comment to grab it now. Metabo HPT 714-inch Circular Saw. Next up, we have the Metabo HPT 714-inch Circular Saw, a tool designed for precision and versatility. This saw features an ergonomic handle for improved grip and comfort during prolonged use. The 15-amp motor delivers exceptional cutting power, while the bevel adjustment allows you to make angled cuts up to 55 degrees, a feature that's perfect for more creative woodworking tasks. The saw also includes a carbide tip blade that ensures durability and longevity, even with heavy use. It's a great choice for professionals who need accuracy and speed on the job. Check the link in the description for more details and pricing. Makita XSS02Z Circular Saw. The Makita XSS02Z is an excellent cordless option for those who need portability and power. This saw runs on an 18V lithium-ion battery, offering the freedom to work without being tethered to a cord. Its 612-inch blade has a maximum cutting depth of 214 inches, perfect for framing, trim work, or smaller DIY projects. What sets this saw apart is its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 7.3 pounds, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Additionally, the precision machine base provides stability for accurate cuts. If mobility and convenience are what you're after, the Makita XSS02Z is your best bet. Click the link in the description box for this versatile saw. Haichika Mini Circular Saw. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use tool, the Haichika Mini Circular Saw is a must-have. This saw is perfect for precision work and smaller projects, offering a 6.2-amp motor that packs surprising power for its size. It's capable of cutting through wood, plastic, and even soft metals. What makes this saw unique is its laser guide and parallel rail, which ensure ultra-straight cuts every time. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue, making it ideal for longer projects. Its compact size also makes it great for storage and portability. Check out the description for the product link and pricing to get started with this mini marvel. DeWalt 20V Circular Saw 612-inch. Finally, we have the DeWalt 20V Circular Saw, a professional-grade tool that delivers exceptional performance. This cordless saw features a high-efficiency brushless motor, providing longer runtime and improved durability. The 612-inch carbide tip blade can handle tough materials with ease, delivering sharp and smooth cuts every time. A bevel capacity of up to 50 degrees makes it versatile enough for a range of woodworking applications. The saw also includes an LED light for improved visibility in low light conditions. With its lightweight design and powerful features, this saw is perfect for pros and hobbyists alike. Grab this premium tool today by checking the link in the description and pinned comment. That wraps up our comprehensive review of the best circular saws on Amazon. Each of these tools offers unique features to help you complete your woodworking projects with precision and ease. Whether you're looking for cordless convenience, compact design, or powerful performance, there's a saw here that's perfect for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box and the pinned comment for direct links to these products and grab them at the best prices available. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite or if you've used any of these saws before. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Tool Mentorship, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest product reviews. Thanks for watching and happy woodworking.